Mobile is the biggest innovation of the last decade and will easily continue to rule mind space in the next 2 decades. So what brings alive a phone? Apart from its traditional hello, the phone now does these super cool things: social networking, gaming, messaging, utilities, and content. It's a mix of these that a consumer lives through his phone, but most use their phones to consume content in various forms. Mobile device is fast becoming the device where people consume the content the most. Content was, is, and will remain the driving force for the consumer. Music, videos, or content. That's where Winjit Apps was born, from the enterprise business of Winjit Technologies. With the increase in time spent on mobile phones, it was obvious that content consumption would move largely to it. But it needed to be content on the go, and that's where Winjit created a new content apps ecosystem for the consumer and for the content owner. Winjit has, over a period of time, built more than 700 apps and expertise, which allows Winjit to create apps efficiently and effectively. We were the first in India, and maybe are the only ones even now, to bring all record labels on board, develop crisp mobile apps for their content, and not charge them anything for development. This was a bold step. We put our belief in certain kinds of content that, from our experience, would sell. Winjit today works with big labels like Sony Music, Hungama, Times Music, Universal, Saragama, to name a few. Today, we're India's largest non-gaming, non-social company, with a download bucket crossing 40 million in December 2013. We're growing rapidly. Alongside, Winjit started creating its own content in the children's, spiritual, and wellness space. For this, we create the audio and animation content in-house. Winjit wants to continue to lead and rule this segment. It's aggressively adding more content owners and creating more content in-house to further its apps portfolio that will serve exciting, popular, and curated content.